Today we're making my favorite cookies, peanut butter kiss cookies. Here's the ingredients: peanut butter, sugar, 1 egg, and a chocolate candy of your choice. That's it. We like it best with the Hershey's Kiss. Now grab your mixing bowl, and all we're going to do is drop in 1 cup of our peanut butter, about half a cup of sugar, 1 egg. Wipe off any excess. These cookies are very easy to make. They are so good. I've been known to eat them all in one day. Very dangerous. If you love peanut butter like I do not miss out on these. Use any peanut butter you like. These are the perfect combination of silky chocolate and tender, sweet, salty peanut butter cookie. You better believe they'll disappear fast. Take a fork and mix it all together. Work the sugar and egg all the way into the peanut butter. Mix it thoroughly. That's all the ingredients. Did you ever make an easier recipe than that? Comment below, do you like crunchy or smooth peanut butter? Every tablespoon of peanut butter is made with about 20 peanuts. Peanut butter became popular as a household item back in World War II. Peanut butter and nut butters were cheap, healthy, easy to resource, shelf-stable, and full of protein for a foodstuff. That's when peanut butter became a mainstay in American homes, also for school lunches. Be sure to check out our growing collection of videos on our channel and see the link to our most recent video and a video recommended just for you at the end of this video. Now we're going to put our peanut butter mixture onto a baking tray. You can use a little scoop to make nice symmetrical shapes, or you can use a spoon or just your hand. It's up to you. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, so you get notified whenever we upload a video. Craving peanut butter does not represent an underlying medical condition or a health hazard. However, if you feel the need to discuss your cravings with your doctor, nutritionist, or therapist, you should do so. I'm about to eat 10 of these. We just can't help ourselves. I actually have to limit how often we make these, or I'll be eating peanut butter cookies every day. That's how good these are. And we're almost done. Now they're ready for the oven. Into the oven they go. We're going to bake them for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's take them out of the oven. They smell delicious. Warm, toasted peanut butter. We have to go quickly now from the oven to the countertop while the cookies are still warm, and immediately press the Hershey Kisses into the warm cookies so that the dough cradles the candy and holds it in place. If you're a super peanut butter fan, try using chunky instead of creamy peanut butter for extra nuttiness. You can trade the chocolate kiss candies for mini peanut butter cups or a chunk of dark caramel-filled chocolate bar, upping the decadence quotient. These melt in your mouth and stick to the roof of your mouth. What else could you want? Get some milk ready. Forget about counting your calories. You're going to want to eat several of these. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell. You don't want to miss any of these videos. Try this recipe at home. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Do you like it? Is it delicious? We told you so. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the kitchen next time. And remember, we don't make it unless it's delicious.